Alright, so. God damn, it's still too low.
Okay, so it's 5 a.m. Today's gonna be a long day. But you know what? It's gonna be a good video. I'm excited to do this. Let's start this up.
Alright, the ferry's leaving in half an hour, 45 minutes, we gotta go. Alright, people gotta get off the road, they're driving so slow. You know what? I think we made it. Alright, I'll see you on the ship and we'll get this video really started. Alright, so we're on BC Ferries. If you've never been, I'll put a map right here. It's honestly really gorgeous. I'm going to show you in the next couple of videos I release. But for this video, I'm going to be talking about the cost of camping. Expectations, how much we saved or we spent because we got a lot of equipment and food we had to buy. And I'm going to go over all that in this video. So I'll give you some views of BC Ferries. In this video I'm going to talk about the cost of camping, how much I spend, and comparing it to just staying in a low to medium range motel or hotel, what to expect, what you should bring, and of course, was it worth it? I'm going to be covering a lot of topics in this video, so be sure to like the video, and if there's anything I missed, feel free to ask it in the comment section below, and I'll answer any of your questions. Now, before we begin, I have to show you some images of Vancouver Island. Alright, so I hope you liked the glimpse of Vancouver Island I gave you. Anyways, this is going to be my first time camping. Not my, I've been camping before. I've stayed in RVs, cabins, Airbnbs. But in this one, I'm actually going to be sleeping in a tent for the first time. We actually just bought it. We've never set it up, so I'm not sure what to expect. That's going to be interesting. I think I'm going to save money, but we've spent quite a bit of money now, so I'm not sure. Anyways, we got a lot to set up, so let's start this up. Alright, so we gotta set this tent up. Haven't done it yet. This should be interesting. So let's start adding up the cost of camping. All the figures are in Canadian dollars, but I'll convert it to US dollars at the end. We spent $35 on a tent. It sleeps 3 people. We paid $45 per night on our camping location. And we camped for 5 nights. We shopped around pretty heavily for camping supplies. And a lot of the big outdoor retailers were really expensive. If you're camping in the winter or doing something more hardcore, then you might want to stop at these outdoor retailers. But other than that, I'd avoid them. People can go crazy with the amount of camping supplies and camping gear you can buy. Walking around the campsite, I've seen so many RVs with so much stuff. I've seen this one RV with a satellite dish, outdoor plants, and they weren't even staying there long term. It's crazy. I really recommend just going to Walmart if you're planning on camping for the first time. They have the best prices, and the equipment is perfectly fine for summer camping. We paid $30 for the twin air mattress. The 2 sleeping chairs were $10 each. We also bought all our food at Walmart, which covers breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 5 days. So I wasn't too sure what to expect here, but the food came out to, yes, $69.69. You know this camping trip's gonna be a good one. What else? Oh, we also found a used stove and grill for sale online. Alright, so we got this used stove and grill, $45. Not a bad deal. It'll definitely work. We were lucky enough to borrow a cooler and sleeping bags. The rest of the stuff like cooking equipment, clothes, and everything else we already had. So the total cost of the camping trip, excluding attractions or anything else we would have spent regardless, was $424.69. But I'm going to add an additional $100 for firewood. We did eat out and any extras.
What are you grilling?
We got the hamburgers cooking, roasting some peppers, onions. We got it all here.
Now, if we would have stayed in a hotel, motel, or anything like that, it probably would have been about $80 a night. Food for 2 people over 5 days, maybe $300. I wasn't sure if we were going to save anything, but it turned out we did. All right, it's a little after 11 o'clock. We're going to get some sleep. It's actually pretty cozy in here. I thought it'd be claustrophobic, but it's actually kind of roomy. The mattress feels nice. I think I'm going to get a good sleep, but I'll see you in the morning. All right, so I made it through the next morning. Wasn't too bad. Got a good night's sleep. I'm ready to start my day up. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching. Check out my channel. I got a lot more videos just like this one. And until later, I'll see you later. All right.